In this video, we will take a look at the slide of myocard. The slide is stained with modifying green trichrome. Cardiac muscle cells exhibit similar features than are seen in skeletal muscle fibers. The cross-striation in the cardiac muscle cells closely resemble those of skeletal muscle. For example, here you can see cross-striation in the cardiac muscle cells. Also here it's a nice visible cross-striation. But the cardiac muscle cells are individual cells, not fibers. And show the cardiac muscle cells show branching and contains a single centrally located nucleus. Here you can see purple nuclei of cardiomyocytes. Binucleated cardiomyocytes are also visible. For example, here you can see binucleated cardiomyocytes. The nuclei are visible in the center of each muscle cells when cut in the transverse section, and around the central located nuclei are the clear zone of nonfibrillar perinuclear sarcoplasm. And in the perinuclear sarcoplasm, the small granules of lipofuscin may be visible. For example, here it's a small dark granules of lipofuscin here. Maybe here it's a purple nucleus and small dots around the nucleus in the ball of nucleus. Highly characteristic feature of cardiac muscle cells, cardiac muscle, are the intercalated disc. These dark staining structure here are found at irregular intervals and represent the specialized junctional complexes between cardiac muscle cells, and via cardiac intercalated disc, the cardiac muscle cells are connected into network and form the cardiac muscle fibers. So here this steps like structure. It's an intercalated disc, and here also here it's nice visible. And cardiac muscle has a vast blood supply with numerous small blood vessels, and capillaries are found in the connective tissue septa. For example, here it's a connective tissue septum with vein and arteriole, smaller arteriole and another vein, and you can see green collagen fibers, and the numerous capillaries are visible in the endomysium. The endomysium is a delicate, indistinct, loose connective tissue between the cardiac muscle fibers. Here you can see reddish erythrocytes inside the capillaries, and here you can see collagen fibers of endomysium. But be careful in the identification capillaries and or erythrocytes and lipofuscin. So here it's a lipofuscin, also here, but erythrocytes inside the capillaries, it's yellowish or reddish. Here it's erythrocytes inside the capillaries. So that's all for the myocard or skeletal muscle. Cardiac muscle. And thank you very much for your attention.